PhpStorm 8 comes with support for PSR-0 and PSR-4 namespace roots. What are they, you ask? Well, in short, PSR-0, or the autoloading standard, is a convention that specifies that every directory created under our project's source root will be considered a separate namespace with the same name as the directory it is created in. PSR-4 allows setting a prefix for the namespaces, after which they should again follow the directory structure. Having this structure makes autoloaders in different PHP frameworks work together. When opening a project that contains at least one file with a namespace, PhpStorm will ask us if we want to set a PSR-0 namespace root. We can use the balloon here to let the IDE configure this automatically, or use the Detect PSR-0 namespace roots menu to do the same thing. We can see the directories PhpStorm detected as source roots, as well as the namespace prefix it assigned. The includes directory here will use the JetBrains namespace prefix everywhere. Now that's PSR-0. For PSR-4, we can make other directories source roots as well, and use the small icon here to specify the namespace prefix for it. Let's change the namespace on this one as an example and save the settings. When we now create a new PHP class, PhpStorm will populate the namespace with the correct one, based on our settings. Creating one here uses the correct prefix, as we can see. If we create a file in the directory for which we configure the specific namespace prefix, the IDE will use that one instead. Now in the editor, we will also see an inspection kick in whenever the class path does not match the class namespace, so we know it's not correct. More screencasts and tutorials can be found on our website. Thank you for watching.